Hey guys, welcome to this video. I hope you are doing great. Today I was thinking that we should have a look inside the house and see how it looks. And you can let me know what you think. So let's head inside. Welcome in. At first you enter a small hallway. On this side there is a small office space or something, and behind me is the kind of dining room. There is a closet and a few shoe cabinets as well. And if we walk into the small office, there is a bunk bed here. I'm not sure, some bookshelf or something, and then there is a small office desk. There is a closet and a cabinet with some drawers, and if you look here, there is also a small sink here. So I guess this space is kind of a compact living space, if you will. But let's move on. From the hallway we come into the, should we call it the dining room or so. The window is facing down towards the lake, so should be a nice view. It's maybe a little bit small, the window. On this side there is the kitchen, and on this side we have the entrance to the living room. This is the kitchen, quite compact. There is a stove, a small stove with a fan, I guess. Not, there is an oven here. Some cabinets, there's a countertop here with some, I don't know, maybe a place for a fridge or something. There is actually a dishwasher here as well, the sink here. So if we cross the dining room from the kitchen, we come into the living room. The living room is split into two sections. One is a little bit bigger, I would say, and the second part here, the inner part, is more, how should I say, brighter, and there's an exit to the balcony. The inner section is a little bit smaller. There is some nice big windows here facing the south. There is an exit to the balcony here, and we have a fireplace. I'm not exactly sure. This part here is a bookshelf or something to put decorations or flowers or whatnot on. Over here is the staircase downstairs to the basement. It's quite a steep and narrow and a little bit sketchy staircase, so take care when you walk down here. But let's have a look. Yeah, be careful. We come down to the basement. There is a little bit bigger room. There is a fireplace here, and yeah, I don't know, maybe it could be a bedroom or so. There are a couple of fridges or freezers left behind, so I need to get rid of them as well, but I'm not exactly sure how I will get them upstairs using this steep and narrow stairway. Over here is some kind of a corridor leading into a second room here. We have the laundry room here, and over here we have the bathroom with the toilet and the shower and so on. This is the laundry room with the water pump and the accumulator tank and whatnot. There is a laundry machine as well. Yeah, the status is unknown for now. If we come in here, it's the bathroom. We have a shower, we have a toilet. Over there we have the sink and yeah, tiles on the floor and on the walls. But I guess it requires some attention before use. This is the smaller room on the other side of the basement. There is a small office desk and there's a closet over here, and well, there's not so much more to tell about this one. I have one small surprise remaining, and then it's behind this door, and well, let's have a look. Well, it's actually a sauna, and I think this space here is actually what is in the best condition of all this property. I'm not sure if it works or so, but I guess we will find out eventually once I get the electricity going. This was the tour of the interior of the house. It's a little bit dark inside. The electricity is not activated yet, if it works. But to me it looks nice. It's in pretty decent shape. Of course, you might want to redecorate and rearrange things and fix things up and so on. Let me know what you think. I guess this is it for this video, and I'll see you back in the next one.